Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. And in today's video, is it the versus mode? Yeah, it is a versus mode, but more like a side-by-side comparison of the LDK Family. Because we have very cool portable system from LDK, or in other words, China. Okay, I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison with the screen and what they changed. There are some similar things on the device, but still I think it's a fun idea to show you what the difference is if you're thinking about getting one of these systems. Alright, let's go. So I really like the LDK family, and they have decided to bring out the Landscape Edition. The Landscape Edition is a big improvement, is a small improvement with some extra features. We're going to discuss this in the video, and let's go. Okay, so let's talk about what did they do with the buttons. Is this all the same, or what are the differences? So the first thing that I personally know, but it can be, I just want to say that it can be my device over here, but when I'm feeling the D-pad, I have this idea the D-pad is a little bit different of the Landscape. Okay, the other thing they changed, the select and start are now over here. I would say I really like the position of these. The normal buttons, they are exactly the same. The shoulder buttons, they were not very convenient, to be honest. I really hate it on this LDK. Most of the time never use them. And on the Landscape, they are still on the top. I would say, are they different? They have a different click, so I'm guessing it's another quality. Alright, so let's see at the side. We can see that they didn't change this. And at the right side we again have it's a little bit reversed, but we're having the on off switch and the scrolling wheel for the volume. At the top we're finding both micro USB and a TV out. Keep in mind it is possible with other software that it doesn't work. And at the bottom here we're having an extra SD slot. So this is very unique. And this, I wanted to say, where is it on the later one? It's over here, so they moved it around. So yeah, you get the point. Okay, so let's take a close look at the battery compartments. Both of them have the BL5C battery. What I think is very funny is that the colors of the battery come out. The batteries of the little bit different color. Is it exactly the same battery? I think it's another manufacturer. Let's see, BL5C 1000. Aha! No, they are not the same. No, they are not the same. Okay, zoom in. Yes, thank you. And what you can see here, this one has 20 milliamps more. Ooh, exciting, but nevertheless it's more like an other manufacturer. Alright, so this is what the battery look like. Very nice, don't you think? Woohoo! Okay, so both of the systems have the option to swap out the SD card, so that's pretty damn cool. Ooh. Alright, so if you look at the screen itself, they both have an EPS screen, and that is so cool. I'm very happy that they didn't swap it out for a basic LCD screen. So this is very awesome. You noticed that this one was loading a little bit longer. I don't know if this is the camera, but so you can see that the measurements of the screen is a little bit different, but both of them look very nice, very cool. The view angle of the EPS screen is great. Right. Oh yeah, Studio's remake. So what I have with this device is sometimes the music just stops with Tree of Rage. I hate that. Where's my music? Okay, so the LDK has one speaker and this thing is pretty damn loud. And it sounds perfect. Alright, let's grab the other one. Alright, so what I really like about the Landscape, that they made the decision to add an extra speaker. I love sound, I love soundtrack, so this makes this thing extra cool. And the soundtrack is really great, oh yeah. Listen to it, man, listen to the beat. Ooh. Okay, so what I want to point out, and correct me if I'm wrong, but what I understand of the specification of these devices, the landscape is less powerful than the LDK. So that is quite weird if you think about it. So this was the first one, and this is the second one they released, but the second one is bigger, it's better in some ways, but if you look at the specification, it has less power. But what I'm thinking, if you're playing, let's say, old school retro games, so Game Boy Advance, NES, Mega Drive, I think that will not be a big of a deal, but keep in mind, if you want to play PlayStation, this is going to be a problem. By the way, this is going to be a problem for both of them, because this doesn't run very well on both systems. Just wanted to point it out. Alright, so this concludes this side-by-side comparison. If you have any questions, you can always leave it in the comments. I hope it helped if you want to make a choice between these systems. So the LDK family, personally, I really love them. Both of the systems have the pros and the cons, keep that in mind. So this is what you're going to get for your money. The firmware itself are exactly the same, so adding things like homebrew and emulators will be the same. But I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. And check out the Wicked Gaming channel if you want to see more retro gaming. See you next time. Bye bye.